let them think that we are crazy when we drive around in our Mercedes. We're out all night or at home lazy. We're living like we're in the 80s. My oh my, we both.
Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So as you guys know, my SSB is on the 4th of April, which is honestly not that far away now. अभी तक ऐसा लग रहा था कि अभी तो बहुत टाइम है, जो कि था भी. There was like months in between, but now it is like what, like 10 days away. सबसे ज्यादा डर मेरे को स्क्रीनिंग के लिए लग रहा है, which is like the first day पे जो होता है, you know, if you don't get screened in, बाकी के 4 दिन वाला तो होगा ही नहीं आपका जो प्रोसेस होता है. So I'm like super duper scared about it and it's like gonna be my first attempt, so it's like added pressure. अभी मेरा AFSB भी आ गया है जो कि 5th May को है and that is उसके exact 1 month के बाद 4th April को ये वाला CDS OTA वाला and then 5th May को my Air Force वाला. अपनी तरफ से तो मैं अपना बेस्ट ही दूंगी, बाकी फिर लक पे भी डिपेंड करता है. एंड अपनी तरफ से I'll try कि मेरी जितनी भी प्रिपरेशन है that is like टॉप नॉच. अब मैंने अपनी ट्रेन की टिकट करा ली है बाय द वे, भोपाल में है. सो माई मॉम एंड आई, हम दोनों जाने वाले हैं वहाँ पे. रिटर्न टिकट अभी नहीं करवाई है बिकॉज आई डोंट नो रिटर्न कब होने वाला है. पहले दिन भी हो सकता है, 5 दिन के बाद भी हो सकता है. बट एनीवेज आज थोड़ा SSB के लिए मैं पढ़ने वाली हूँ. आई वांट टू प्रैक्टिस PPDT आज, लाइक स्टोरी नरेशन वगैरह, जो कि मैंने कोचिंग में काफी प्रैक्टिस किया था ग्रुप के साथ. बट अभी आई डोंट हैव द ग्रुप एंड काफी टाइम बीत चुका है, सो अकेले ही मैं करूंगी घर पे. सो वी विल प्रैक्टिस PPDT फर्स्ट आज एंड उसके बाद आई ऑल्सो डू OIR विच इज द रीजनिंग. ये दोनों ही होते हैं स्क्रीनिंग में, सो स्क्रीनिंग पे भी फोकस करते हैं आज. आई हैव दिस लाइक वर्कबुक, इसमें दी हुई हैं काफी सारी पिक्चर्स. समथिंग लाइक दिस, यू सी, लाइक एक बहुत ही हेजी सी पिक्चर दी जाएगी, लाइक इट्स लाइक वेरी ब्लरी एंड देन यू हैव टू लाइक राइट अ स्टोरी बेस्ड ऑन दिस. दिस बॉक्स इज फॉर लाइक पुटिंग योर कैरेक्टर्स. एक मेल दिख रहा है तो विल पुट दैट ओवर हियर. एक्शन की मेन थीम क्या है स्टोरी का एंड देन द एक्चुअल स्टोरी विल कम ओवर हियर. तो आज 2-4 लिख के ट्राई करते हैं. A 21-year-old boy from a small village in UP helped his father out in his handicraft. They had realized that they were truly underutilizing its true potential and wanted to expand. They were attending a local business workshop in his village that was conducted by the local action immediately by taking a loan from the bank. All the appropriate government policies in his favor. He also hired the workers around the village and helped promote the local economy by generating employment. Chair also went in marketing to increase the exposure of their hard work and consistency. He took the business able to bring his family out of their previous condition standard of living significantly, and he was happy to have helped his father to reach these heights. So I practice some PPDT. I think story में थोड़ा और better कर सकती हूँ. I'll try to improve that if I can. अभी next OIR पे चलते हैं. I was thinking वो थोड़ा बाद में करते हैं. Let's do it later in the evening today. अभी के लिए I wanna study something else. Let's revise some geography for today. Got my iPad here. In case you remember in my previous video how I shared that my favorite way to revise any topic is through flashcards and how easily I make these AI flashcards on this app called Quizlet. I'm not gonna lie, it has totally become like my favorite study essential at the moment. Like literally so quick and easy to use and it's free, which is like the best part obviously. So there are like a lot of already prepared notes and sets on the app that you can use for your practice, and I know a lot of you are preparing for like different competitive exams as well, and competitive exams mein to you need like an edge over the other kids. So let's take civil services for an example. So we're just gonna type it in the search bar here and there you go. We have like a bunch of these CSE specific sets. Just look at all this extensive material over here you guys. So let's just take the topic of oceanography right here. Now you can see it has like all the terminologies, all the concepts related to this topic. So now you can just keep swiping them all one by one. Like literally so helpful for learning, memorizing or revising any chapter or topic. You totally cannot miss out on this. Like trust me, your study routine is gonna be so much more efficient and also fun at the same time. To make it easy for you, I will leave the link to it in the description below, so just go and check it out from there. But for now, let me go ahead and practice these. So done with the OIR practice for now, and then I also did some more PPDT. I thought I would like read out some stories for you, so you can like, you know, if you have given SSB previously, maybe you can, you know, assess it or tell me like any, you know, suggestions, maybe anything else I could add. So I'll just like read out a random story for you guys so you can like see how it's like. Okay, so action for this one is like a camping trip. Rohan, a 22-year-old college student, went on a camping trip with his college friends during semester break. Rohan led the group on the trek to the top of the hill where they found a place to set up their tent. Rohan recce'd the place and saw some garbage thrown around the site. He called his friends and they collectively cleaned it up by splitting into groups and collected them in bin bags. They set up their camp, had a productive and enriching experience, getting to explore the flora and fauna and immersing in nature. They returned back safely and properly disposed of the trash that they had collected. Rahul led the group well and showed concern for his surroundings. That is the story. So like it is around like cleaning, which is like, cleaning is like a theme which can actually go with a lot of different like pictures, but yeah, some are like very specific. This one was like agricultural awareness. This was the photo in which a guy is, you know, addressing like a group of villagers. I think many people have written a story on that. So Paras, a 24-year-old 24-year-old agricultural student, decided to help farmers on ground to increase their produce. He organized a camp in the nearest village where he gathered farmers and taught them about newer farming technology like HYV seeds, tools and equipments, fertilizers and manures. He introduced them to organic farming, agroforestry, crop rotation, intercropping, etc. to promote greenery and reduce soil erosion. At the same time, he told them of the government schemes that they can avail for loans and subsidies and financial help, and he also told them other related monetary avenues like animal husbandry, horticulture and beekeeping. Usi se related hai like awareness camp. Again, this awareness camp, anytime you see like a group, the first thing that comes to mind is like an awareness camp or like a protest or something. But yeah, these are like some that I did for like practice. I try to keep it like positive as much as possible. Of course, if there is like a negative trigger in it, then you have to address it, but mostly I try to keep it positive and something of substance, something productive is happening in the story. It's not like a casual, like you're just doing something, like something productive has to come out of it. So like that is the main aim. But yeah, that was my PPDT and OIR practice today. The two things that the screen in depends on, and it's on the very first day. मतलब उसी दिन I think दोपहर तक result पता भी चल जाएगा कि आपका screen in हुआ है या नहीं, and I'm the most scared for that part. But पता नहीं, जो भी होता है अपनी तरफ से तो I will give it my best shot. बाकी let's leave it to the hands of God. But मेरी तरफ से I'm gonna put in 100% efforts, and of course we will document that journey. You guys will come along. So yeah, I'm excited. अब तो ज़्यादा दूर भी नहीं है, आने वाला है कुछ दिनों में. So I am excited. So yeah, let's try to stay positive, optimistic and give it our best. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video, you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.